Hello guys and girls, thank you so much for joining me. How are we all doing? Hope you're all well. My name's Didi, I'm a HGV vlogger, and at the moment I am about halfway through my Class 1 training, my Class C plus E, driving a tractor unit with a trailer behind it. And today I am going to be showing you how to do the coupling and uncoupling from a driver's point of view. I'm going to be taking you through things that you need to know, the procedures. There is a couple of things that you need to do to pass your test. There's a couple of things that you cannot forget. Very silly things, very basic things, but you can't forget them or else you will fail your test. So I'm going to go through all of them with a camera strapped to my head so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Should be easy enough. The hardest part about the couple and uncouple is reversing straight underneath the trailer. That's as easy as it is. It's very basic, very straightforward, but we'll get straight into it. Hope you find the video useful. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, click that subscribe button. Next time you see me, we'll be inside the vehicle getting ready to do the manoeuvre. Talk to you guys then. Okay, so we're at Red Rose and I am going to show you through the coupling and uncoupling process. So I'm in the garage at the moment. I've just done my reversing manoeuvre, and this is what will happen on test. You'll finish your reversing manoeuvre and then the examiner will ask you to drive forward, both mirrors, blind spot check. I'm going to drive forward a little bit to about here. Okay, handbrake on, into neutral. I'm going to turn my lights off because I have had my side lights on. Okay, I'm going to go and get some gloves. 3 points of contact on the way down, obviously, don't forget that. And now I'm going to follow what everyone knows as black, which it's easy to do on your test. You don't have to remember your number plate, so forget blank, it's black at the moment, which is trailer brake. Pull that on, which is there. Legs down. Just until they touch the floor. Is there. Store that away safely. So that's brakes, legs. Next is her. So we'll go around here. 5 off, 5 on. If you remember that, you can't go wrong. So, red one, twist and pull. As so. And you have to store it away safely. So it says. Same with the yellow one. Twist it to there, line the knob up and pull. And then these come off simple as that. That's like a trigger system. You pull it down. Okay, 5 off, down. Right, now under there, take the clip off, like so, pull that up, kingpin lever to the right and then pull. Sorted. Right, so now I've cocked all my camera up and everything. How's that? Right. So now we start off. If you wish, put it in crawler gear. That makes it a little less jerky. And then move forward slowly. like so, and then reverse at the side of the vehicle. Until you're level, headboard, and that's good. Right, when you've done that now, the examiner will say to you, recouple to the vehicle, assuming that you've never seen it before, that you've never seen the trailer before. So this bit's very important. This bit, very, very important. Do all round checks, and then you want to line yourself up with the vehicle, with the trailer, sorry. I am miles away though. Miles away. That looks better. Right, very important this bit. You want to stop about a metre before the trailer. Put it into neutral. Turn your engine off a metre before, right? Very, very important this bit. I'm going to get out. When you get to here, you need to bend over like so. And what you're looking for is that you're going to actually go underneath the trailer. That's what you're looking for. And then from here, you have a quick walk around to the trailer. Touch it, like the markers. Have a check at the tyre. Yep, fine. A quick walk around, and this is literally touch that, make sure that's locked in place. Tyres, yeah, quick walk round. And then the other thing you have to do, you have to pull your knob. Pull it. And that's it. If you don't do that, you'll fail. So you have to bend over, quick walk around, and pull your trailer brake knob. So we're lined up, we're nice. Very nice. Oh, get back in. So I'm going to engage reverse crawler now this time. I'm going to go in crawler gear just because it's easier. It stops it from jerking as much. So we're lined up pretty nicely. Mirror, mirror, blind spot, no problems. We know that we're in a good area. So we're going to go backwards slowly, making sure that the trailer, yep, is guided on nicely. It's going to bang a bit. There you go, we're in. Handbrake on, into drive, tug test, ×2. 1, 2. Handbrake back on, into neutral, engine off. Alright, and then we do black, backwards. Get out. So kimping's engaged, which is good. Put the clip in the little hole like so. That's fine. Then we'll go and put the lines back on anywhere you want, and they can't go in the wrong place. Watch, see, can't go in the wrong place, so you can't get them wrong. Green one, ABS one. Open that finger switch, push it in as hard as you can, and then push it down till it clicks, just like so. I hope you can see that. That's fine. Black one in like so. Yellow one, line it up with the little knob, pull it back, push that one in, and then get two hands behind it while its sleeves open until it pops. and then twist that collar like so. Red one is pretty much the same. Line up the knob, pull it back, slot it in like so, 2 hands, push, and then twist the collar. 5 off, 5 on, happy days. Round to legs. This is the hardest part of the entire process, winding these bloody legs up. Okay, stow it away, and last but not least, trailer brake. Job done, that's that. Now, this last bit is also very, very important. When you've connected up to the trailer, everything's fine, you need to ask your examiner to check your lights, or else you fail. So all you do is say, please can you check my lights? And he'll say yeah. He'll go to the back of the trailer. I'm out of breath because I'm still ill. I'm still full of it. He'll go to the back of the trailer. You put your ignition on. Don't start your engine, but put your ignition on. Indicator, your headlights, so that your side lights come on, and then your brake lights. Wow, I'm out of breath. So that's the couple and uncouple. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learned something from it. I hope that you could see it. And that's me from Red Rose, and I've got my test tomorrow. Wish me luck. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Right, so that was the coupling and uncoupling. Very, very simple, very basic, but there is them 2 or 3 things that you need to remember to do. It's all well and good remembering black, that is fine, and obviously black backwards. Wow, that's sun. Black backwards for when you're doing the recouple, but you need to remember when you get out of the cab, stop a meter before the trailer when you're recoupling. You've got to bend over and have a look to make sure that you are not going to go underneath the trailer and smash the headboard into the back of the cab. So you need to bend over and have a look. You need to do a quick walk round check. He described it as not needing an MOT, but you've got to look like you're looking at the trailer as you walk around. Walk all the way around, and then you have to pull your knob. You have to pull that knob. If you don't pull that knob, you fail. And then the final thing you need to remember, do not forget, someone failed at Red Rose when I was there because they forgot to ask the examiner to check the lights at the back. It's so easy to just get in, start it up and drive off. Don't do that. Don't forget to ask the examiner to check your brake lights. That's what he's there for. He will do it. He's fully expecting you to ask. Don't feel stupid. That's what you've got to do. So that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have learned something from it and it makes you a little bit more confident about the procedure of the coupling and recoupling, uncoupling and recoupling, the coupling and coupling. Right, there's no more ways I can say that. So I am a HGV vlogger. Check out my vlogs if you are interested in that kind of stuff. If not, then just give the video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Dede. Take care. I will see you later. Bye.